Introducing the 2025 Founder 14-inch ultra-thin laptop, the perfect blend of performance, portability, and affordability. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4000 processor, with 2 cores and 4 threads, this lightweight laptop delivers smooth multitasking and daily computing at speeds up to 2.6 GHz, paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB solid-state drive. It ensures fast boot times and responsive storage performance. Enjoy crisp, clear visuals on the 14-inch Full HD display, with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, driven by Intel's UHD graphics. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, multiple USB ports, and a front-facing camera for seamless video calls. The 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides reliable power for work or study on the go. Designed with a sleek ultra-thin chassis and a QWERTZ keyboard layout, the Founder laptop is ideal for business users, students, and everyday tasks. All of this in a compact and affordable package. The Founder 14-inch laptop, smart performance made simple.